pork shoulder's going on, fat side down. It'll go about 4 hours. We'll update in the meantime. Alright, I got the foil on it. Foil pan. I'm just gonna give it a look, give it a spray. This is just apple juice. Cover it back up and keep going. Alright, we're gonna put in a little apple and a little cherry. Pan. We're just gonna give it a quick little spray again with apple juice. She's looking pretty. Alright, we're gonna give her another flip. She'll go for a little bit longer and we'll be back with an update. We are now putting it in here. As you can see, there are carrots, onions, and celery. I know it sounds weird, but it's a really good combo. Okay, I'm adding some Goya chicken bouillon. Packs. some water. Okay, it was a little tall, so we're not using the lid. If I can get this in there, we are just using foil. And we'll let it go for an hour, hour and a half.
Okay, we're gonna do some campfire potatoes. So you're gonna start with your potatoes, cut them bite size, drizzle them with some extra virgin olive oil. Put on your heat glove. Mix them up a little bit so they all get moist. Okay, you're gonna add 2 packets of your Italian seasoning. Add some ranch, about the same that you would with the Italian seasoning. Stir that up a little bit. Salt and pepper. Put your lid on it and make sure it's tight. And you're just gonna shake it. After it's all mixed, you're gonna take a scoop, put it in the center of your aluminum foil. Then you are going to fold your aluminum foil. You can fold it however you want. Take your aluminum foil to the fire, throw it on there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll flip them. So we pulled them off the fire, and we are going to open them bad boys. Be careful because the steam does burn you.
Well, is it ballin' or is it fallin'?
Ballin'.